I recently posted this pic in a candle making group. These are the comments I got. It doesn't look like a sublimation print. It's AI. You can't just use any candle vessel. In this video, I'll show you step by step why all three of those aren't true, and how you can sublimate candles just like this. Start with your design in Canva. Download it as a transparent file and print it using a sublimation printer on sublimation paper. I use the Brother SP1. Next, we tape our sublimation design to the candle vessel, in this case a Maxi Aura 12-ounce vessel. Shrink wrap it and put it in the sublimation oven at 390 for 6 minutes. Then let cool. The reveal. No AI involved, just a regular candle vessel, and I showed you step by step how to sublimate your own design. Still think this is AI? Still think you can't sublimate on regular matte white candle vessels? Sublimation is a tool that makes beautiful candles. They are vibrant and won't rub off or fade. I'm Kimberly Patterson, and I help candle makers turn plain candles into profitable works of art using engraving and sublimation. Please subscribe for more videos on sublimation and engraving for beautiful candle art.